True wealth is not about having a plethora of material possessions. It's about financial independence. It's about the ability to live life on your terms without the constant worry of where the next paycheck will come from. And what better way to learn about achieving this financial freedom than from the richest man in Babylon himself? Welcome to an exciting journey through the pages of the timeless classic, The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. This book, brimming with financial wisdom, is as relevant today as it was when it was first published in the early 20th century. The Richest Man in Babylon unravels financial principles through the enchanting tales of Akkad, the wealthiest man in the prosperous city of Babylon. His wisdom lies not in complicated financial jargon, but in simple, timeless truths. Let's delve into some of them. Firstly, Akkad teaches us the principle of paying oneself first. No matter how much or how little you earn, always set aside at least 1/10 of your income for yourself. This simple habit, practiced consistently, can set the foundation for wealth accumulation. Secondly, Akkad emphasizes the importance of making money work for you. He encourages investing wisely so that your money becomes your own little workforce, tirelessly toiling day and night to multiply your wealth. Thirdly, Akkad preaches the significance of seeking counsel from those who are knowledgeable. Investing in financial education and learning from those who have successfully navigated the path of wealth creation is key. Lastly, Akkad advises on the power of perseverance. Building wealth is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, discipline, and the ability to stay the course even when the road gets tough. As we close the book, we realize that the journey to financial independence is not about quick fixes or get-rich-quick schemes. It's about understanding and implementing timeless principles of money management, investing wisely, and continuously learning and growing. So, what are your thoughts on Akkad's wisdom? Do you find these principles applicable in your quest for financial independence? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed this journey through the streets of Babylon and found Akkad's wisdom enlightening, do give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family who might benefit from this knowledge. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Remember, the journey to wealth and financial independence begins with a single step. Start your journey today. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep investing in your financial freedom.